It's mid-morning on WTOC TV Savannah. Now from WTOC, the Southeast News Leader, it's Mid-Morning Live with Sunny and Jody.
If you own a business and don't already use outside security services, you may be considering it.
The thing is, everyone has unique needs, so how do you know what will work best for you? Ask an expert, like Bernard Robinson from Sabre Security and Investigations. Good morning.
Good morning.
I guess my first question would be, how did you get to be an expert?
Well, I would say that came from a culmination of years of experience from both on the military side, prior law enforcement, where I actually served here in the city of Savannah. At that time, it was Savannah Police Department. I did that for approximately less than a decade, and then I went on into security management over a variety of fields.
Now, when we're talking about security, there's totally, several different levels you can look at when you're looking at securing down your business. Now, you are working in the type where we actually have people on site securing locations. Is that correct?
That's correct. Working as a principal consultant for Sabre Security, what we do is we perform what's called a SWOT analysis. SWOT being SWOT. That's where you're looking at the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of that particular site. Be it a large capacity, such as something along the lines of a St. Patrick's Day or something along those lines, or one of our current clients, which would be for Ellis Park, then that way what we're doing there is when we evaluate, we go back to that particular client and tell them what would be effective measures in accordance with what their budgetary constraints may be.
Things are a little different these days after 9/11, so that presents more and different challenges.
Yes, it does. If you recall, pre-9/11, security wasn't the foremost thing that was on everyone's mind. But post-9/11, security moved up to the forefront. As a result of that, a lot of mandates with regards to training changed a great deal. Part of that mandate was, for the state of Georgia, it's required that you give 24 hours of training, specified training covering a variety of topics. This way, it enhances the performance, the expectations of the individuals that's performing the job, as well as those individuals that when they're carrying out the duties, they meet, if not exceed, the expectations of the client.
Well, what should, if I own a business out there, what should I be looking at when it comes to a type of security for my business?
It would all depend upon your individual needs. And I say that because it depends on if, in fact, you're in an office setting, if your business is a standalone, or if, in fact, you have one of those locations wherein it requires, because of the location, you have particular needs. First thing you could do is you can go out and actually get, free of charge, you should be able to, is get a crime analysis from the local police department. That tells you what takes place in the area. Then what you can do is research that particular organization, security, and then go ahead and work with them, and then they can provide further analysis of.
Hi, Mark Medinger from
Happy Valentine's Day.
If you've wondered